Gold traded with the bearish bias so far, it has moved towards 1972 and US crude has cruised towards 77.4 levels here. As we discussed in our weekly review for gold and crude oil and also with the Asia and Europe session, both have behaved in a similar fashion. So now what to expect with the US session from gold and crude oil? We will see with the help of charts and indicators. This is the second update for the day. Thus, in order to get the live updates, if you are not subscribed to the channel, do subscribe to the channel, do press the bell icon, and your every like, share, and comment is a great motivation to me. Let's start first to look into hourly chart. Now, see, firstly, if you look at gold, gold has come out of this channel, which was the bullish channel. It is trying to give a breakout. It has come towards the support zone 1970-67, which is a great support zone for gold for the day. Below 67 is where the bears will kick in for 62.5, 60 levels. And if you see it is staying below 60 is the zone where you can say it has turned bearish, it has reversed. The stochastic is oversold here. MACD is divergent and bearish. RSI is also looking downwards currently. On the 2-hour charts, on the 2-hour chart, see, first of all, if you connect this, you will find lower lows there, which means 67, 68 zone should be a great support. And yes, it is trading in this zone. Also, if you just connect the dots here, the top of the channel somewhere here at around 1978-80 level. So even if it tries to retrace 1978-80 should be a greater resistance for the US session. Yes, the moving averages have started to converge, showing slight bearish signs. Second thing is it is trading outside Bollinger Bands and hence it is getting a support here at 72. Stochastic hitting the bottom here. Look at MACD. This is trading with divergence, trading bearish, looking downwards. RSI is looking downwards as well. Coming to 3-hour chart. On the 3-hour charts, first one greener candle, then 3 straight bearish candle, lower lows are done. Now this candle, even if it tries to retrace, there are greater resistances towards 76, 78 and 80 levels. It is only if you see gold staying above 1980, you can say that the prices are turning bearish. Again, I am reflecting. Earlier in the day, I had mentioned 1985, which has certainly given it a greater resistance on the upside. If you look at a stochastic, this has dropped to oversold levels. The MACD is trading with divergence. It is trading bearish. It is looking downwards. And we have seen it. This crossover has come after a good bullish move. So it is going to continue for a while on the downside. RSI looking downwards, staying bearish here. Coming to the 4-hour. Likewise on the 4-hour charts, one bearish candle, second bearish candle, and third in making. We are looking forward to 1967, 68. And this is going to be the third bearish candle. This can be an extended or increased in size candle here, because see, first candle we have seen a smaller body, then a further bigger body, suggestive of that the bearishness has increased, and this is the third candle. Now if you look at it, we have to wait now for it to break below 1970, and there is a greater support here in between 1968-72 zone. Yes, this is a good support zone, and if it stays below, then you can say that the prices are turning bearish, and specifically below 1960, I will consider this as a completely bearish move. Now if you look at stochastic, this has dropped, it is coming to bottom here. The MACD on the 4-hour charts has just crossed over, trading with divergence, trading bearish, and possibly it, see, rise, retracement. It is retraced partially and now looking downwards, so it can bring more bears out here. RSI is also turning bearish here, looking downwards. Coming to the daily chart. Now look at the daily charts. First of all, look at this candle. It has got a strong push from the top. This candle, it has also got the strong push from the top, and also it has filled the gap as well, which was created with the weak opening candle. Now also this has come to the support levels here. Thus I will recommend you to sell. Now see, 1970 levels, can you see multiple candles here getting the support and the resistance at the same zone. Thus it is only below 1970, 68 zone we can expect further bearishness. We have to be watchful here. This complete zone between 68 and 72, rather I will say, you have to be careful here around, and below this certainly more momentum on the downside can be expected. It may try to erase this gain here. This candle, what it has gained, it can try to erase, which means a movement towards 1960. Stochastic looking downwards here. MACD is in green, MACD is in red. It has converged, but it has not yet crossover. And if you recall on the daily charts, I have mentioned several times that this crossover has come at a certainly higher levels. It has converged, and now from here it can start to diverge, which means more bearishness. If you look at RSI, this is also now started to look downwards. Thus, I will recommend you to sell here at 1971 levels, but then be alert towards 67, 68, which is a greater support, and then 63 and 60. Now, 60 levels is where the bears will take over. If it drops below 60, we can say more bearishness prevail, and then 1954 and lower levels can be expected. And before I give you the buying levels, if you want to learn this art of trading, you can join my 27th mentorship batch. It is starting in just 1 hour. Yes, if you want to join, you can watch the recorded video, and can join the tomorrow's session as well. Reach out to me for more. And yes, if you want to trade as per the signals, you can join my signals channel here on Telegram. Reach out to me via Telegram or email for more details on any of your trading or trading related queries. Also, you should visit the platform www.forexfunda.com for all the answers to your queries, be it related to the mentorship batch or the webinar. And yes, this platform has much more to offer, which is the economic calendar, the markets data, and also the community of traders here. So do visit the platform. Now, if you look at buying levels, I will recommend you to wait for 1980 to be taken. Once it stays beyond 1980, you can say that the bulls might be seen here, because see, lower lows, lower highs, and it can reverse again. This is also, you should note, it can reverse completely. It can move towards 1980-84 levels. There is a probability to. However, bullishness is only confirmed once you see gold staying beyond 1980. You can say that the prices are reversing. Thus, take your trades above 1980. Then also, I will wait for 1984-85 to be taken. And if it stays above 1985, just stay long. Just close your eyes. Stay long for 92. And then, in fact, 2000 levels can be seen here. Take your trades accordingly. Now let's have a look at crude oil. Now see, crude oil has stayed bullish. It has come towards 77.5 levels now. It is consistently staying bullish. Higher highs, higher lows it is yielding. And now 77.5 is the first resistance. 77.5, 77.6 is the first resistance. And then I will look forward for it to break past 78 levels. Yes, it is still bullish. Moving averages have crossed over, trying to diverge more, trying to stay bullish. Stochastic has come to overbought levels. MACD is in green, trying to diverge more, looking upwards. But it appears it has seen, but if you look at the drop, it has seen minus 100. So can we expect it to move towards plus 100 levels? Yes, it can. RSI is back to overbought levels, coming to 2-hour. Likewise on the 2-hour charts, higher highs, higher lows. Just wait for it to stay above 77.6, and you can expect 78, 78.2 zone, the next targets. Stochastic is overbought, MACD is bullish, RSI is also looking upwards. Coming to 3-hour charts, on the 3-hour charts, one retracement candle, then a stronger bullish candle here, and this could be the second bullish candle, which can give it a breakout. I am waiting for a breakout here. 77.6, yes, it's a good entry point for you to expect it to towards 78.2, 78 zone, and then beyond 78.2, sky is the limit. Stochastic overbought, MACD divergent and bullish, RSI is also near to overbought levels. On the 4-hour charts, if you look at, yes, it is staying bullish, it is getting resistance here. Let it stay above 77.6, and then more bullishness will prevail there. And then you can look forward to 78, 78.2 zone, the next target levels. Yes, if you notice here something, you will observe that still lower highs, lower lows. So 78 is something which is going to give it a very, very good resistance. Stochastic overbought, MACD divergent and bullish. Now look at MACD double bottom levels here. It is looking upwards. It can continue with the bullish momentum here. RSI is rising as well. Coming to the daily charts. Now look at the daily charts. This is a weak beginning candle here which is come in between, and it is also a stepping stone. Also, it has taken oil out of this consolidation, as last couple of trading sessions last week we have seen it giving higher lows, lower highs, and today it has given a breakout. It is continuing with the rise. Also, if you notice, the 20 period moving average is sitting at around 78.6, 78.8 zone and 79 zone. So once it stays beyond 77.6, you can expect it to move towards 78.2 and then towards close to 78.8, 79 zone. It is only to be considered for a reversal if you see oil staying above $80 levels. You can say prices have turned bullish. Moving averages have just crossed over. It is still looking upwards. Stochastic is rising, looking upwards. Look at MACD. See, on the MACD, I have mentioned several times. See, first wave, this is a retracement. Then it has hit a bottom here. Look at minus 200 and minus 250 levels. So it should try to retrace a little on the upside. It may bring bullishness in the coming few sessions. Be careful here with the short entries. It is only to be sold if you see oil staying below 76. Now for the day, you can buy here at 77.6 levels and expect it to rise for 78, 78.2 first target, and then 78.8 the next target. Beyond 78 levels is where the bulls will take over. On the downside, a selling entry can be taken at 76.5, 76.6 levels. That is the only level below which I will recommend you to sell. But this is also a sell entry with the extreme caution that as long as 76 is not breached today, we are not going to treat this as bearish. Thus, take your trades accordingly. Trade with a stop loss and a trailing stop loss. Do like, share, subscribe and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals channel. Reach out to me for any of your trading or training queries. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Also visit my page forexfunda.com. All the links are there in the channel and video description. Do join the free Telegram channel to get the live updates. Thank you very much.